How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. If you are experiencing issues with your Instagram broadcast channel not showing up, then there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try it. First and first, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So, poor connectivity can sometimes cause issues with loading content on Instagram. So you need to check whether your internet connection is working well or not. If it is not working, you can also tap on mobile data and switch to mobile data. After that, go and check if your broadcast channel issue has been fixed or not. If not yet, then you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. For that, you can go to Play Store and check for the Instagram updates. Just type in Instagram on your search bar of Play Store, and here we can see that there is the update button. That means we have the old version. So make sure that you update app as soon as possible because outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issue that can affect the performance of the app. So let's tap on the update button and update our app. It will take few time, so you need to wait for a moment with patience and update your app. Once done with that, you need to restart the app. For that, you can simply close the app completely and then reopen it. So you can easily cross all these applications opened. So restarting the app sometimes can simply resolve the temporary glitches. So the next thing what you can do is you can simply go to the app info page of the Instagram. For that, tap and hold the Instagram app and tap on this I button. And on the section, select the storage users option and then select the clear cache button. So you can easily clear the cache and remove all the issues of the application. Also, if you wish to clear the data, you can select the clear data option and clear all the data. Note that this will log out of the app, so make sure you know your login credential before proceeding. And then the last thing you can do is you can simply reinstall the application if none of the above steps works. You can simply tap and hold the app, and then here is the trash icon. Click on it and select the uninstall icon or the button, and you can easily reinstall it from the Play Store again. So this can help fix any underlying issues with the app installation. Following all this step, you can easily fix your Instagram broadcast channel not showing issue. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss out any updates from our channel.